Here is your quick math tip. We are going to add two integers where one is positive and one is negative. So here we have a -3. Then we are going to add a +2. So first, let's use chips. Always model your first number. So the first integer is a -3. So we have -3. Right underneath, we are going to stack a +2. All right, now we have to eliminate zero pairs. Where you see positive and negative, this is why we want to stack, because it's easy to see the zero pairs. We have a positive and negative here. This is 0. It's called a zero pair. So let's slash that out because they cancel each other out. That's a zero pair. Here's another zero pair. So we are left with a -1. Now let's do this using a number line. Let's put 0 in the middle, and we can go to 4 and -4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can actually go to 5. And then on the left side, go -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Always start at 0, then go to your first integer. Your first integer is -3, so start at 0 and go to -3 and stop. From -3, we're adding a positive number. We're adding 2, so we're going to go right on the number line from that -3. So from -3, you are going to go right 2 hops. 1, 2, and stop. We land at -1. That is how you complete adding a negative and a positive using chips and a number line.